important to have girls studying STEM. We need to see more dynamic young girls wanting to land on the moon or wanting to cure rare diseases. And they need to be able to create a legacy.
Especially young women can influence positive change in the future by using science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
I think it's a really nice opportunity to see so many motivated young women together and to be able to interact with them.
It's an inspiration to us to continue working, to hear from the other panelists.
If you have the opportunity to find yourself a mentor, go grab yourself one.
I think mentors are extremely crucial in kind of providing a path.
It's important to pursue that and to not be afraid because it gives you the amazing opportunity to discover all the fascinating things that the sector can offer you.
It would be nice to find someone, a real person that I could meet and talk to that could share their experience, do something similar to what I want to do in the future.
I'm very interested in maths and AI, and that's what I would like to study. My dream is to go to MIT, and I think that this event really helped me to connect with different people that can maybe help me get there.
My name is Kautar. I am 17. I study with science and mathematics in Liège. I'm in my senior year of high school. I am here an intern at G4G. There's a big community with just girls where you can learn not only about STEM, but you learn about soft skills, about university, about applications, you network a lot. So I think that's really important, especially for your career afterwards.
Today I'm here as an industry mentor, but I feel like I've been mentored by the lovely young ladies here.
I think what particularly interests me about sustainability is its ability to positively impact our environment.
We help to, save the planet for future generations.
It's really about studying what happened in the past and how we can change it. And I feel like sustainability is what brings people together.
We looked at diesel consumption and CO2 production, and so we kind of came up with an idea to create filters that recycle air as it leaves cars.
For us, we were actually discussing oil spills, and really that encouraged us to think beyond what's possible now, not just to help the environment in terms of the ocean, but also in terms of the community, the social community and stuff.
I started at G4G when I was about the age of 9. The main reason was because I was following my sister's footsteps, but I continued until still today to go to these events because I enjoy it. I've learned so much. All of that has inspired me to now want to become a mechanical engineer studying in England.
I want to start my own business, leaving a legacy, leaving a footprint, and that's really what I want to do in the future. I want to do something myself that impacts a lot of people.
Et aujourd'hui, on a pu participer à un événement de G4G et on a juste adoré pour plein de raisons.
Déjà, c'est entre filles, donc c'est plus convivial, on est plus à l'aise.
Aussi, on parle de sujets qui nous impactent dans notre vie, donc la durabilité, c'est quelque chose qui nous impacte tous. Et on a pu parler entre nous, échanger sur des projets qui peuvent vraiment changer le monde.
And it's events like these with Greenlight for Girls that really inspire me, listening literally to our future generation, women in STEM, talking about such important topics.
La place des femmes au sein de la société et son pouvoir qu'elle peut avoir dans la société pour changer le monde. Mais bien sûr aussi avoir un impact positif sur le changement climatique et autres.
Sans G4G, on n'aurait pas eu l'opportunité de pouvoir même réfléchir à ce genre d'idées. On est vraiment dans un cadre convivial et qui entraîne à la réflexion.
It's beautiful to see how all of them are working towards a more sustainable world.